Come back to subscribe, please. Today we're diving into the world of NODEX, a new crypto coin operating on the Tron blockchain. First, let's understand what $NODEX token is and why it's gaining attention, particularly because of its new token generation event. This guide will show you how to buy $NODEX and explain the relevant technologies involved. We'll then explore the NODEX project in more detail, looking at its goals, vision, and the problems it aims to solve, as well as the tokenomics. We'll check total supply of $NODEX, distribution model, and the utility of the token. It's important to understand its relation to the Tron blockchain, looking at why Tron was chosen, highlighting its speed and cost effectiveness, and the role of TRX in the NODEX ecosystem. We'll also discuss the potential involvement of Justin Sun, if any, and the impact of his influence. EXT, we'll focus on MEXC Global, the exchange we'll use. We'll briefly introduce MEXC Global, its security features, and trading volume, and discuss why it's a good platform for $NODEX, addressing its listing status and liquidity benefits. We'll then walk through creating an account on MEXC Global, covering the step-by-step registration process and KYC verification requirements. Once your account is set up, we'll cover how to buy TRX, the Tron blockchain's native token, on MEXC Global. We'll explain funding your MEXC Global account with deposit options like USDT or BTC, and how to transfer crypto to MEXC Global, followed by finding the TRX/USDT trading pair and placing buy orders using market or limit orders, while understanding the different order types. How we can finally purchase $NODEX. We'll guide you through finding the NODEX trading pair, like NODEX/TRX, making sure you've identified the correct token. We'll then cover trading TRX for NODEX, placing a buy order, and understanding the order book depth. Finally, we'll discuss managing your $NODEX tokens, storing them securely, and any potential staking or rewards programs that might be available. To give you a better understanding, we'll briefly explain the Tron blockchain, what a blockchain is, decentralization, and immutability. Then we will explain the key features and advantages of the Tron blockchain, its speed, and scalability. We'll also look at different types of Tron wallets, web, mobile, and hardware, and securing your TRX and $NODEX, with some popular wallet options. It is important to understand the new TGE, or token generation event. We'll share the date, time, price per token, and how to participate. But also, you need to know the potential risks and rewards, and the volatility of the new tokens, and the potential for early gains. If we're investing, let's address some risks and considerations. Cryptocurrency investment risks, volatility, market fluctuations, and project risks. You need to do your due diligence, researching the NODEX project, and understanding the team and roadmap. Crucially, we'll cover security best practices, protecting your private keys, and avoiding scams and phishing attacks. In conclusion, we've recapped the steps to buy $NODEX, emphasizing the importance of research and caution. We encourage you to explore the NODEX project, but always invest responsibly. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe Please.